Okay, guys, here is going to be an application of a challenging problem involving angle of elevation. Let's look here first what we have. We have a plane flying at an altitude of A. So that's what we're going to be solving for. It's flying at a distance towards you. Okay. It's flying towards you. You're going to look at this two separate times. Observe. The first time you see the plane, we'll spot the plane right here. First time you see the plane is going to be an angle of elevation E1. E1 is 45 degrees. Then you're going to look at it a second time. Okay? Your second time you look at it, in this case, is 90 degrees. That's straight up over your head. Now be careful, not every problem is 90 degrees, so don't think that's the norm. It could be 70 degrees, anything. It could be 100 degrees, but in this case, it's going to be 90 degrees. We want to find the missing information. We want to find A here. Well, we have a right triangle right here, a 45, well, you actually can figure it out now, it's a 45, 90 triangle. But here's A. We need another value. We need a value. How can we find that value? Okay. Did you find it yet? There's that D. That's the distance. But what is the distance? It does not give us the distance anywhere here. It gives us the velocity and the time. Do you remember from your science class? V is velocity times time. So if I travel for 5 miles per minute for 1 minute, that's 5 miles. That's pretty easy. The problems later on will probably be a little bit more in depth. So D is 5 times 1. D is 5 miles. So I now have completed my right triangle, because that's also A. If I look at it this way, A, 5, 45. Just think that's also 45. Now, you may realize that this is just a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Therefore, A is 5, because it's isosceles. If you didn't see that, our relationship here is going to be the tangent of 45 is 5 over A. We'll do our cross products. A is 5 over the tangent of 45. The tangent of 45, punch it on your calculator, is 1. So that gives us A is 5. You will need this to complete the 2 problems in your homework. I've also given you the answers to them to make sure you check it if you're right. I'll post an answer to you that later this week.